Hey everyone! Today we are going to Yamanashi to ride the famous ropeway to see panoramic mountain views. It's about 2 hours from Tokyo and super easy to reach. The weather is perfect and I cannot wait to take you along. Before you come here, book your tickets online. We actually got ours on Klook and it was super easy and cheaper than buying it on site. Just show your mobile voucher and you're good to go. Alam na this, use my promo code IreneLBKlook para maka-discount. We're now in line to board the gondola. The wait time is not bad, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. The cabins come every few minutes. Yeah, hey! We're stepping into the gondola now. Napaka-spacious with full glass windows so you can get a 360-degree view. Kung takot ka sa heights, maybe don't look straight down. Fast forward.
Nasa taal na malamig.
We made it! The view from here is super next level. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Kita mo yung valley sa baba, pati yung lake. Grabe talaga. Parang nasa postcard or anime scene. Parang painting. Sobrang surreal. Kung autumn dito, pulang-pula at orange lahat ng puno. Winter kami pumunta, kaya para siyang snow globe. I swear, isa to sa pinakamagandang views na nakita ko.
Sinusundan ka lang ng video natin ng Fuji. Yes, Mount Fuji!
Ang ganda. Ay, grabe guys. Hindi ako maganda ugaga kung ano ang una kong pipicturan. Ang dami. Lahat ng sulok maganda. Kung yung bundok, tapos may forest pa sa baba. Parang postcard sa bawat sulok. Ang hirap pumili. Grabe, legit ang ganda. Gusto kong gamitin sabay-sabay. Phone ko, DJI, GoPro, tapos may camera pa. Lahat na. Kung may drone lang ako, baka pinalipad ko na rin. There's a little cafe sa taas. Pwede kayo mag-hot choco or grab a snack. Grabe, yung dating nakikita mo lang sa postcards, souvenirs, anime. Ngayon nakikita mo na in person. Ang ganda mo talaga Mount Fuji. Finally, in real life, nakita na kita. By the way guys, kumuha kami ng private tour today para masulit talaga yung araw namin dito. Hindi muna kami nag-DIY this time kasi gusto namin ma-maximize yung mga tourist spots na pupuntahan namin. You can message Miss Madel, madali lang siya makita kasi member siya ng Japan Travel Groups. And that's it for our Fuji Day Tour Part 1. Don't forget to follow para updated kayo sa ating mga lakwatsa.